Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
OnePlus Ace 3 or OnePlus 12R just launched today. Fast refresh rate LTP OLED display, flagship processor, superb in design, huge battery, fast charging and many more. Today I'm gonna show you unboxing and first impression of the OnePlus 12R. Actually OnePlus 12R is a rebranded version of the OnePlus Ace 3 and OnePlus 12R will launch on 23rd of January in global market. Hey guys, Maiky from Tech Maiky. Please consider subscribing, turning on the notification by hitting that bell icon for more amazing tech videos. Let's now get to the unboxing. This is the red color box of the OnePlus Ace 3, known as the OnePlus 12R in the UK. First, remove the plastic wrapping from the box and open the lid. Inside, you will find the OnePlus 12R phone. Set the phone aside for a moment and check the rest of the box content. There is a 100-watt power adapter with a Type A output, along with the SIM ejector tool, a user manual, OnePlus stickers, a Type-C to Type-A cable, and a case included. The design is quite similar to the OnePlus 12, the camera module design and the color, which matches the back of the phone. The first impression of the phone is stunning. The back is made of glass with matte finish, so it doesn't show fingerprint easily when you look at it up close. The frame of the phone is made of aluminum alloy, which is an upgraded from the plastic frame used in the previous generation. The frame also went through a metal sandblasting process, so there are no fingerprint marks there either, and it feels silky smooth to the touch. When you hold the phone, it feels really smooth and nice. The first impression of the phone gives off a flagship vibe, especially in the gold color. There is another eye-catching color, blue, which looks vibrant and attractive. This time the OnePlus did a great job with the design of the OnePlus 12R or S3, using the top-notch material that gives it a premium feel. The OnePlus 12R has a 6.78-inch OLED display with a 1.5K resolution. It's a curved display that's protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 2. The cool thing is it uses the LTPO technology, which means the refresh rate can vary from the 1Hz to 120Hz, making the display both smooth and power efficient. It also a Plus certified and can reach a peak brightness of up to 4500 nits. Absolutely in the sunlight, you will get excellent visibility on this display, since it can reach a global brightness of up to 1600 nits. It's got a full support for 100% sRGB and 98.3% DCI-P3 color gamut, making colors really pop. Plus, there are fantastic eye protection features like 2160Hz PWM dimming feature, a hardware level blue light filter, and ambient light adaptive technologies, all ensuring excellent eye protection. Top of it, phone has an under the display fingerprint sensor for a biometric security. The fingerprint sensor placed perfectly gives a quick unlocking, and the phone boasts a screen almost identical to the OnePlus 12, just with slightly lower resolution. But for this price range, it's still the best display around. Talking about the OnePlus 12's performance, it packs the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor that was last year's flagship processor, LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 storage. You will find the model with 12 gigs of RAM and the highest variant with 16 gigs of RAM and 1 TB of storage. When checking the Antutu running score, it goes above 1.68 million, indicating high performance. Gaming performance is also smooth. For example, in the King of Glory, after playing for 30 minutes, the average frame rate hits about 119.3 FPS, staying super smooth. During the gaming, the front temperature reaches 33.4 degrees while the back hits 28.6 degrees. The average power consumption stays around 3.6 watt. In the heavy games like Genshin Impact, playing for 30 minutes at the highest setting, average frame rate around 59 FPS, maintaining a decent performance level. The frame rate shows the minimal fluctuation, making the gaming experience stable. During gaming, the front temperature goes up to 46.3 degrees and the back temperature around 41.8 degrees, with an average power consumption of around 6 watt. Now moving on to the OnePlus 12R's camera setup. It features a triple rear camera setup. The main camera is an impressive 50 megapixel Sony IMX890 sensor with an optical image stabilization sensor size of 1 by 1.56 inches. Additionally, there is an 8 megapixel ultra wide sensor and 2 megapixel macro sensor. You can see the sample photos here.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need, what you need.
The phone has a 16 megapixel selfie shooter. It comes with a big 5500 mAh battery that charges really fast with 100 watt superbook charger. It takes around 24 minutes to go from 0 to 100% charge. Talking about the price of the OnePlus 12R or S3, in the China, the starting price for the base model is around 2599 Chinese yuan, which is roughly equal to 289 pounds in the UK. So what do you guys think about it? Tell us your thought in the comment section below if you have any questions. Also give this video a thumbs up and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, me signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and keep smiling.
That'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need, what you need. We're broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it, and I know of sadness, the anxious